Hello everyone, so in this video, we're going to be reviewing Morgan and Madison.com. But before I get into the review, I get hundreds of requests from you guys to check out daily and to check out products daily, and my guide shows you how to do this investigation yourself in just a few minutes. So link down below in the description, and with that out of the way, let's get into the review. So as you can see, you have it here open up on their website, and this is what they look like, and this is what they just sell, women's apparel and maybe men's, but mostly on women's apparel. So they're basically have different genres right here, or different styles of clothing. So as you can see, they have women t-shirts on top, women's jacket, dresses and jumpsuits, and a lot more. And if you're wondering if this product or this website is legit, they are rated 2.4 out of 5 stars here on Trustpilot, and see they are rated poorly for 112 reviews. So let's read some reviews here. So waiting for my order for weeks and worst support. And that let's read more reviews right here. So as you can see, there's only 3 reviews. Oh, there's a lot more here. So a lot of 1-star reviews. I can't understand this language, but a lot of 1-star reviews. So these have the same pictures and the same images as the AI generated or fake websites online. Since as you can see, if you hover over these pictures, they just change the color of the product. Same for this one, they just change the color and the design of it. Basically, they just are generated photos and not real products. So please guys, I would advise to stay away from this websites like these, and I would just advise you to buy from more trusted and legit websites. And that is basically it. So if you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing.